This is the brush before cleaning, and you see that there are a lot of hair here, like stuck in the brush. And let's see what will be the results after I use this brush cleaning function on the AEG i360 vacuum cleaner. So let's have a look. I started this one, and then you have to press until it switches off automatically. So let's start. So let's see what are the results. So you see the hair are still stuck inside, like this is a big bunch of stuck here which is not cleaned, and here as well. So what you have to do, either you have to pull out the brush and clean manually, or you can cut the hair with a scissor here. So this AEG brush roll clean function does not automatically clean the hair which are stuck in the brush. So in my point of view, that's the drawback or a disadvantage of this vacuum cleaner.